Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining my channel. Today is a special topic. We're talking about the shoe brand Timberland, and that's all we're talking about. Let's get right into it. So the first thing I want to talk about is a gift that I got from Timberland. In partnership with Surround Sound of Fashion, Timberland was a sponsor of our show, has been a sponsor of our show for several years. They gifted us a few products. So let me show you what I got. The very first thing that I want to show you is something that's super popular with their brand right now, and it is a pair of boat shoes. It's called the Stone Street boat shoe in the color root beer, and let me show it to you. I do believe that these are platform shoes, but I am not certain. We'll find out when I pull them out the box. I haven't looked at them. I literally just opened them and said, let me share it with you. So yes, it is an even platform shoe. I've never had a shoe like this. This is super different. Definitely going to get some wear out of this. What I think this will work particularly well with are my longer, because I wear like a lot of oversized jeans, just like the rest of the world. I wear a lot of oversized jeans, super long maxi skirts. And I think this will work perfectly because I am all of 5 feet tall and I need all the help I can get from keeping my things from dragging on the ground. But I think this is a perfect color. I based this off of my boot size, and so I'm hoping that this fits well. Let's see. What are the measurements on here? Yeah, I mean, it's 23.5 centimeters, so it should be perfect. Actually, let's try them on together while I have you. All right, I've popped them on, and just ignore the thighage, but here is the shoe. It fits like butter. These are going to be so comfortable. I know these are going to get a lot of wear. They're going to be like my go-to, aside from my sneakers, they're going to be my go-to pair of sneakers. Now listen, when they reached out to me, they said, hey, we have these shoes that we'd like to offer you. We think these would be perfect for you. And so I wanted to showcase them today. But they also offered me a coupon that gives me 50% off of my purchase, in addition to giving me this very generous gift. If you look online to see how much these cost, very generous. So I did see a few things that sparked my interest, and I'm super excited to show you. I'm going to start with the shoes that I picked up. And I've been eyeballing these for a while, you all, and I just hadn't pulled the trigger. So I'm so happy that I was able to get this coupon and get this. Not only were they on sale, but I was also able to get an additional discount on top of this. So here it is, you all. Patent leather, red patent leather boots. And so, oh my gosh, I don't have anything like this that makes such a bold statement. I do have kind of sort of reddish orange cowboy boots, like short cowboy boots, but they are not this. This is Crayola crayon red, super bright. What I didn't know when I ordered this, and I looked at it as I was capturing the B-roll to show you, is that these come with some satin laces as well, or like ribbon type laces. They're not super satiny, but they're ribbon type. And I am leaning towards switching these laces out for the ribbon style because I think that's just more me, you all. I'm going to take this off. Back in the day, we used to love wearing these hangy tags on our clothes, on our belts, on our purses, on our pants, everything that had a little hangy tag like this, we would keep it on. But nah, I'm not doing that. It's gonna annoy me if I do, so I'll take this off. But I am super excited to wear this. Again, I based this off of the sizing. I based it off of what I normally wear in Timberland. So we're gonna try this on together. You're gonna have to see my ashy thigh again as I show you how it fits. All right, these fit a little bit looser than the shoe did. I don't know why there's a difference, because I do have other, you know what? I don't know. I do have other Timberland boots, but I'm thinking I got them in this size. But I think it'll be good for winter when I wear thicker socks. That's a good thing. It's not overly big where, I don't think it's overly big where they'll come off my feet when I walk. Let's see, what's the measurements on here? It says 23.5 centimeters, but it feels a lot more roomy than the other shoes I just showed you. Now for the other thing I purchased a belt. And it's a unique belt. This color, I don't believe that I have in my, of all the belts that I have, you know. Have you, I mean, I don't know, for those of you who've been rocking with me for a while, you know how many belts I own. And for those of you who are new, you would have no, oh, not what I expected, but beautiful. All right, so this is, what color did they, oh, so this is their classic wheat colors the boots come in this like classic wheat color, and I didn't realize I picked up the classic wheat color when I purchased this, but this is beautiful. I love it. And it's that same boot material. It's sort of like it's kind of like a cross between a soft leather and a suede, nubuck-ish in a way. It's beautiful. I love this unique cross stitch piece of leather here as well. I picked this up in a size small. I don't know if small is the smallest, but I did pick this up in a size small. Happy to have this in my collection. I have one other Timberland belt in my collection that I wear quite a bit. It's like a distressed gray belt. I absolutely love that belt. Now, I've preached 1,000,001 times about the Timberland brand and how it has a, you know, in terms of hip hop culture and urban culture, it has inspired a lot of what we see. And I have always loved Timberland boots, but I've only known them for that sort of nubuck boot style of shoe. And starting, I think in the early 2000s, they started to pay attention to women just a little bit by introducing the nubuck boot with a heel on it. And that was the start of it. But since then, when I tell you, baby, they've done the right type of hiring in their design department and decision-making department about what makes it to market. And they have been paying special attention to the women, giving them diversity and choices and things that just fit our lifestyle. So the very first one I want to show you here is not something that I hauled recently, but this is one of the first boots that I got that was in that whole, like, we thinking about women and we like women era. And it's this one. This is the oldest boot in my collection. Now, this leather is just delicious. I want to say that these boots have to be about 15 years old, and they still, in my opinion, look really good. I wear them all the time during winter, spring, sometimes summer. It just depends on the outfit. It's just so versatile. Now, from there, I was like, I'm not going to go to what I bought next. I'm going to keep that for the end. So that's my second oldest boot. But it's the sassiest boot, so I'm going to keep it for the end. But from there, I received a gift from Timberland, and this was the boot that I got. I've had these for about 5 or 6 years, and I, in my opinion, feel like they still look like new. I mean, it's a super light, as you can see, like a stone color. I have maybe a few little nicks on, like not nicks, but like little scuff marks that I can easily buff off. I can easily clean the sole if I wanted to, but I just haven't. I wear these in winter and they held up really well. I love this clip design. I mean, when I talk about thinking about how a woman dresses and the fact that we need flavors and colors and styles, this one really spoke to me. Then after that, I did not realize that this one was a limited edition color that they really don't make. And I don't know what the color is called, but when I posted this in my outfit of the day, both women and men alike went nuts, went crazy. Where'd you get it? How can I get it? And I just didn't realize at the time that it was a unique color. But this is it. It's like this deep burnt orange / caramel color in this smooth leather. Recently, I think they did just re-release this color. I think I saw it, but it's not exactly this style of boot. They did re-release it. But for the longest, they did not have this available, and every time I wear them, people give me so many compliments about this color and this style, and it's unique and they've never seen it before. So this is a prized possession for me. I don't think I'll ever give these away. Now that I'm looking at the size on this, this is 23 centimeters. So that's why the rest of this feels a little off, because I wear a 6 in Timberland, not a 6.5. Oh, and this one is a 6. Let's see, am I a 6 in Timberland? So this is a 6.5. So I guess it just depends on the shape of the shoe, but I move on. Now the next one is one that you all, and since you've been watching me, would have seen me haul. Absolutely love these boots. This came out around when like utility style was like a hot trend in fashion, and I had to pick these up. These are yet another tall boot, but it's in a grayish kind of a color. It's grayish? No, that's wrong. Brown, gray, brown, gray, whatever. A mix of those colors. It's kind of like that. And it feels nubuck and a mix of leather. So these straps are like a worn leather, and then the rest of this feels like a smooth, it's all leather except for the stretchy part here, but it's just wonderful. And anyway, I digress. You have a little pocket. I don't know how you use this pocket, what you put in there, we put lip gloss, but it is a functioning pocket on here. How cute is that? So this is, again, another one of those things where they're thinking about what women want, what they'll actually wear, giving us, you know, variety in colors. Love, love, love. And I wear this constantly during the winter. And I have not worn these like in summer, spring, but winter, these are on my feet all the time. Now, the one that is the sassiest, in my opinion, let me show you. I got these a long time ago. Again, these were the second oldest in my collection, so a good 8 years old. But let me just show you. Look at this. It is not your typical, it's not just this with a heel on it. They put some thought into this. This is a beautiful caramel color suede, has the little logo here, a little wooden heel. Absolutely love that. And then the bottom of it is rubber. It's your classic like rubber heel, so you can get around and not slip around. Even this part is rubber. I love this braided. It's both stretchy, it's like rubber bands. I don't know what you call it. Elastic, that's what I'm trying to say. This is both elastic, functional, and design. I absolutely love that braided look. And it zips for like the wide-ish calf ladies. If you need some room, you can kind of zip unzip. But yeah, I absolutely love this. I haven't, you know, I've digressed and moved away from wearing heels since the pandemic, but this I cannot get rid of. I absolutely love, love, love this boot. Again, thinking about women, it's a waterproof boot. Had these for a really long time, and look how well these have kept up. I wear these during winter. Whenever I get a little scuff or something like that, I just kind of brush it. I pre-treated it with a spray, which makes it easier again to clean. But every so often, if I get a little dirt mark, you can probably see very closely. I've gotten a little dirt here on the back, but I just brush it with my little brush and get kind of like as much as I can off. But look, when I tell you the quality is there, the quality is there. Now, when, you know, growing up, I just absolutely love this brand. It's a mainstay in the culture and in my brain. It's living rent free, and they have stepped it up a lot with, you know, since the wheat style of this one, the one we all know and love and everything like that. They've stepped it up so much, especially stepping it up for the women. So again, I'm so happy to have these new pieces in my collection. Cannot wait to style these for you and show you on my outfits of the day how I rock them. But just wanted to share this with you. If you're not clocking Timberland now, you better start. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Give me a thumbs up. Bye.
She's just a fashion girl from Chicago. Rocky's just a fashion girl.